Hi children, welcome to MaxCC. So you are completed KSEB board paper 1. How was the paper children? So many of the children told the paper was very easy. So in this video, we can see that max paper key answers. So you can see the answers firstly once. So first question, the nth term of arithmetic progression is an an equal to 4n plus 5, then its fifth term is, so n equal to 5, 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 5, 25, so option C is the right answer. Second question, when the quadratic equation 5x square equal to 2 into 2x plus 3 is expressed in the standard form, the constant term obtained is, so constant term, so you can multiple 2 into 2x 4x plus 2 3s are 6 plus 6 transpose to this side minus 6, so option D is the right answer. Third one, x minus 2y equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0, or option A intersecting lines. So that is, you can compare to the ratio coefficient 1 by 3, this one 2 by 4, simplify means 1 by 2, 1 by 3 not equal to minus 1 by 2, so that is option A is the right answer. Next, fourth one, you want to give the point, so which is the intersecting point? See, that is 1 comma 0 is the intersecting points, that is corresponding line we should find out. How can you find out? You can substitute this point in the equations. Which equation satisfy the answer? That is the correct answer. So you can see that option C, 2x minus y equal to 2 and 4x minus y equal to 4. That is option C is right answer. Next, fifth one, if the pair of linear equation in two variable a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 are parallel lines, then the correct relation of their coefficient is. So given to that parallel line means that is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal c1 by c2, so option A is right answer. Sixth one, if the pair of lines 2x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus 14 equal to 0 are coincident lines, then the value of a and b respectively equal to. So value of a and b, see that is coefficient 7 and here 14, so that is double time 7 14, so 2 times of that second equation. So here 2 means that is a is double 4, c means 3, here y is 3, so b is double 3 to 6, so answer is 4 and 6. Next, seventh one, which of the following is an arithmetic progression? So option is, that is option B is correct answer, 1 comma 5 comma 9. So that is minus 4, common difference is minus 4, common difference is plus 4, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 4 9. So option B is the right answer. Next, eighth one, the 11th term of arithmetic progression minus 3, minus 1, so on is. So 11th term we should find out. First term is 3 and then common difference is minus 1 of minus 3, that is 2 is the common difference. So you can find the 11th term. So that is option 17. D is the right answer. Next, ninth one, the sum of the first 10 terms of arithmetic progression is 155 and the sum of the first 9 term is 126 of same progression. The 10th term, so 10 terms is there, so directly we can minus to the 10th term to 9th term. So 155 minus 126, that is 29, option C. Next, 10th one, if the root of the equation 2x square plus ax plus 6 equal to 0 is 2, then the value of a is. So you can, root is given 2, so you can directly find that value of a is option C minus 7. Next, 11th one, px square plus the discriminant of the quadratic equation px square plus qx plus r equal to 0 is. So that is discriminant formula, directly b square minus 4ac. Here instead of abc here given pqr. So that is q square minus 4pr. Option A is the right answer. Then 12th one, if 4 comma x comma 10 is an arithmetic progression, the value of x. So midterm means that is 3 terms means add of first and second term divided by 2. So that is 4 plus 10, 14 by 2. That is option is 7, option D. Next 13th one, the root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, or so that is directly root formula. So direct formula. So what is the answer? Option A, x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Next 14th one, the root of the quadratic equation x minus 3, x plus 3, x minus 3, x plus 2 equal to 0, or so directly root we can find out, they are given, so equal to 0, so that is x equal to plus 3 and x equal to minus 2, so that is option B. 15th one, the sum of the two consecutive integers is 27, then the integers are consecutive means next terms, so that is 13 and 14, that is the option B. 60th one, the figure, the following sin theta is question, sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse, so that is 1 by 2, option A. Next one, 17th one. So 17th one, the value of sin 30 plus cos 60 minus tan 45 is. So sin 30 and cos 50, that is 1, add madvaga 1, then minus tan 45, that is 1, 1 minus 1, 0, so option D. Next 18th one, 3 plus 6 square theta is equal to, so 3 plus 6 square theta, that is option A, 4 plus tan square theta. So apply to that identity, so option A is the right answer. Next one, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the point on the ground, which is 30 meters from the tower foot is 30 degree, then the height of the tower is. So that is option C, 10 root 3 meter. 20th one, the value of sin theta into cosec theta is, so that is option B, 1. So that is sin theta into cosec theta. Cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. Sin theta cancel, answer is 1. So next one, the formula to the midpoint line segment, directly midpoint formula. So x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, in the order will be changed, means that is the right answer. So option A is the right answer. Next 22, the distance between the point, that is also formula x1 y1 x2 y2. So that is, what is the formula? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So that format is not there, but x2 minus x1, that is equal to x1 minus x2 also. So because after a minus we can do the square root, so that also correct answer. So option A is the right answer. Next 23, the value among the observation of the most repeated score of the data. So which is the more repeated score of the data? Which one? That is the mode, option B. Next 24th one, that is given the data, the mean of the following score is 1, 3, 5, 7. Add all the datas, 10, then 16, then divided by 4. 4 data is there, 16 by 4, 4 is the answer, option D. Next 25th, the relation among the mean, mode and median is. So that is the empirical formula, 3 median equal to 2 mean plus mode, option A. Next 26th one, a cylinder made of wax is melted and recast completely into the sphere, then the volume of the sphere is. So one shape to another shape remolded means, that is it, equal to the volume of the cylinder. So that is option D. Next one, 27th one, the formula to find the midpoint of the class intervals. So class intervals, midpoints. So how can we find the midpoints? That is a class mark we can find now. So how can we find the class marks? That is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So that is option C. Next 28th, the triangle ABC XY parallel to BC, then, so which is the correct ratio? So which is the correct ratio? 28th one, AX by BX, AY equal to AY by CY, option B. Next 29th, observe the given two triangles and then identify the length of DF in the following. So we can identify the DF. So that is, you can see other value only, no need to do. See base you can see BC and EF 6 or 12. So double agide. So there is 3 root 2 means 6 root 2, option A. Next one, 30th one, that is triangle ABC similar to PQR. Area of the triangle ABC is 64 centimeter square, and then area of the triangle PQR is 100 centimeter square. If the AB equal to 8, then length of the PQ is. So that is a square root. 64 square root is 8. So 100 square root is 10. Option C. So next one, 32. In the triangle ABC, angle of B equal to 90 and BD perpendicular to AC. If AB equal to 6 centimeter and BC equal to 8 centimeter, the length of the CD is. So what is given? CD we should find out. So this one is given to that CD. So compared to this two triangular similar triangle, so AD by CD equal to AB by BC. So we can simplify this one. So that is 6 by 8, 3 by 4, cross multiple. So CD equal to 6.4 centimeter, option B. Next question. In that given figure, that is AT is the tangent, draw the point A, circle with center O. So OT equal to 4 centimeter, OTA is 30, then AT is. So that is AT we should find out. So what is here given? OT equal to 4 centimeter given. So you should find out AT. So AT, what is that? See, theta is here, angle of T is theta. Theta, AT is adjacent side, OT is 90 opposite side. So hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is 4, adjacent we should find out. So adjacent by hypotenuse, we can take the cos. Cos 30 equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So AT by 4, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So cross multiple 4 root 3 by 2. So that is cancel means 2 root 3. So option C is the right answer. Next one, 33. In the given figure, PBC is the line. So PBC is given to that PC is given 8 centimeter. So that is PBC is the line. PC is given 8 centimeter. AP is 5 centimeter. AP and PB are equal. So PB also 5 centimeter. So 8 minus 5. So CB is 3. CB and CD are equal. So CD equal to 3 centimeter. Option B is the right answer. Next, 34th one. In that, the wrong statement. You should find to the wrong statement. Statement first one. Option A tangent to a circle touches the circle exactly 1 point. Correct. Option C, the point common be the circle. It is tangent called the point of the contact. That also right. The tangents drawn to the any point of the circle perpendicular to the radius point of contact. So that is the right. So wrong answer is option B. When a straight line is drawn to a circle, it always passes through a point on the circle. That is wrong. Passes through the 2 point, intersect the 2 points on the circle, not only 1 point. Okay, so that is wrong statement is option B. Next, 35th one. What is the next step of the construction? So see that what is here perpendicular over means what do you want to do? We can find to the midpoint. So that is option A is the right answer. Next question, 36th one. The surface area of the sphere is 616. So 616, so many times we are practice. 616 radius is, what is that? That is 7, option D. Next, 37th one. The volume of the cone as shown the figure. So volume directly formula. So option is 30. So direct volume formula 1 by 3 pi r square, H, option C. Next one. The formula to find the total surface area of the right circular based cylindrical vessel of the base radius or centimeter. So that is cylindrical vessel. So total surface area of the cylindrical, what is that? 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. But that is a vessel is one side will be open. So that is we can add the only one base to 2 pi r h plus pi r square. So that is option A is the right answer. Next one. To find the curved surface of area of the frustum of the cone. So direct formula, that is pi L into R1 plus R2, option C. Last question. The total surface area of the solid hemisphere is 462. The curved surface area is 308 centimeter. To find the base of the hemisphere. See, that is total surface area means 4 pi r square. Curved surface area means 3 pi r square. So base means that is a pi r square we need. So 4 pi r square minus 3 pi r square, we can get the answer. So we can minus to that 4. So 462 minus 308, that is 154 centimeter square. Option C is the right answer. So that is easy paper only. I hope that everyone done well. And then remaining science and social also, I hear that there is also easy one. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪೇಪರ್ 2 ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಡೂ ವೆಲ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಚ್ ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ, ಲೈಕ್, ಶೇರ್, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.